Are you a homeowner in Coachella Valley wondering how to keep your home cool while also keeping your energy bills in check? Let's talk about something that might not be on your radar, but absolutely should be: SEER ratings. SEER stands for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio, and it's a key factor in determining how efficiently your air conditioning system uses energy. In a nutshell, the higher the SEER rating, the more efficiently your AC unit converts electricity into cooling power. So, why does this matter for you? Well, in the scorching heat of Coachella Valley, your AC unit is probably working overtime. That means it's pulling a lot of energy, and if your system isn't efficient, you're likely paying more on your energy bills than you need to. Now here's where things get interesting. When you're selecting a new air conditioning unit, especially in a hot climate like ours, you want to go for the best option for efficiency. Units with higher SEER ratings, typically 16 or above, are designed to handle extreme heat without guzzling energy. This means you'll enjoy the comfort of a cool home while also seeing a significant reduction in your energy bills. It's a win-win. Plus, choosing a high SEER system is an eco-friendly move that reduces your carbon footprint, and who doesn't want to contribute to a greener planet, right? But energy efficiency doesn't stop at choosing the right unit. There are some simple energy-saving tips you can follow to get the most out of your system. Regular maintenance, like changing your filters and sealing any leaks in your ducts, can go a long way in boosting your HVAC system's efficiency. Also, consider upgrading to a programmable thermostat, which helps you manage your home's temperature more effectively and prevents unnecessary energy use. If you're thinking about upgrading your AC system, now might be the perfect time. Newer units with higher SEER ratings might cost a bit more upfront, but the savings on your energy bills over time can more than make up for it. Plus, there are often rebates available that can help offset the cost. And don't forget, as a member of Anthem's Comfort Club, you'll get priority service, regular maintenance, and discounts on repairs, ensuring your system stays in top shape all year round. So, if you're ready to keep your home cool, save on energy bills, and do your part for the environment, consider a high SEER air conditioning unit. It's a smart investment that pays off in comfort, savings, and sustainability. Contact us at Anthem today to learn more about your options and find the perfect cooling solution for your home.